A lot of the things in our home are necessary, but they're just ugly. So what do we do with it all? Let's talk. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. Today we're going to talk about the conflict between the beautiful space that you want, where everything in your room is beautiful to you, and the space that you have with the stuff that's necessary to live your life. If you have questions or thoughts that you'd like to share on ugly necessities, please leave me a comment below. And to get more bite-sized interior decor advice from my channel, hit the subscribe button. Certain necessaries surround us. They can be computers, chargers and power cords, fans, air filters and humidifiers, pet supplies, plungers, plug-in appliances, toilet paper and tissue, or trash cans. There are basically three options that we have of what to do with our stuff. We can store it out of sight, camouflage it, or make it part of our decor. A bathroom is a functional room where we can typically find examples of all three of these. So let's have a look at mine. Storing things out of sight in drawers, closets, and boxes is typically my first choice. My personal items I store in drawers and a box on the counter. Everything has a particular place so that when I'm done with it, it goes right back to that spot and makes cleanup easy. A little OCD, are we? Being organized with your storage can save a lot of time in the long run. If your storage is inconvenient, it's very unlikely that your things will be put away. That's why I don't like pedestal sinks. There is no storage. If I have to take even one step to put things away, that's more effort than I'm willing to go through in the morning. I have storage in my water closet as well. Water closet? Did we move across the pond? Toilet paper is stored in this large basket. Very infrequently used personal items are stored in a metal tin. So, where's the plunger? The plunger is actually around the corner in the closet. It's out of sight, but adequately convenient. So what do I mean by camouflage? Camouflage is when your things are out in the open, but they're covered or contained in some way. The most common example is probably the toaster cozy. Other examples include a magazine rack, toy bins, or even in your office, the inbox. But camouflage can backfire on you. The danger is that you'll draw attention to exactly the thing that you're trying to camouflage. The urge to know what's under there can get the better of people. One time I even saw a cozy for a flat screen TV online. Oh, that's not working. I've used partial camouflage with extra toiletry items. I have them close at hand, and I can also see what my stock is at any time. Keeping them in a basket and keeping some extra shelf space around them, they almost look like a basket display that you would see in a store.
Sure, keep telling yourself that.
The last category is making your necessary items part of your decor. I've done that here with my towels on a display shelf. I don't typically use cotton balls, but they make for an attractive display item, and if I ever do need them, I know right where they are. Two other necessaries are a guest tissue box and trash bin. I want both of these to be visible for guests to use, since that's part of the bathroom's function. The tissue box is neutral enough to blend into the shelves. Since this is a guest bath, I didn't want to hide the trash bin. This trash bin isn't particularly eye-catching, but has enough line not to be an eyesore. Here are some things that I would not leave sitting out. Anything with a logo on it that's not classic or iconic, I would put that away. Anything that has deliberate advertising or high-contrast packaging to it, I would not leave that out in the open. High-gloss plastic items may not look good in your decor unless you're going for an ultra-modern room. Tissue boxes are about the only cardboard item that I would leave out in my decor. Many items these days are made to be decor-style items, such as high-end kitchen countertop appliances. But if they don't go with my colors and style, I don't leave them out. Functional items that don't support your decor end up reading as clutter in your home. What I'd like is for you to have an attractive, everyday home for you to live in, not just when visitors come over. Having a strategy for how you store your necessary items goes a long way to creating that everyday attractive home. If you know just one person who should see this video, please hit the share button. If you'd like to up your interior decor game, hit the subscribe button. To get on my email list, visit RoominessTV.com. Thanks for watching.